Hi everyone, our Bible verse for today is all about Ephesians 5:33. However, each one of you also must love his wife as he loved himself, and the wife must respect her husband. So, itong verse po na to is the teaching for today is the husband must love his wife as he loves himself, as a Christ loves the church. So, merong dalawang basis kung paano mo mamahalin yung wife mo. Una is love your wife as you love yourself. So, walang taong gustong ipahamak yung sarili nila. Walang taong gustong humiling na sana is masaktan ka or masaktan yung sarili mo or masugatan ka. Karamihan sa atin, when we love ourselves, inaalagaan natin, inaangatan natin. That's why, the said here, the husband must love his wife as he loves himself. And the second is, Christ loved the church. Pangalawang basis is kung paano minahal ni Jesus Christ yung church. Ganun mo dapat mahalin yung asawa mo as protect your wife, as offer your life to your wife. The wife must respect her husband and submit to him just as the church submits to. So, hindi si Jesus Christ ang nag-submit dun sa church. Dapat ang church yung magsasubmit kay Jesus Christ. Same as when you are the wife, you have to submit to your husband because your husband is the head of the family. So, when you allow Jesus Christ enter into your life, maayos yung marriage mo, maayos yung family mo, maayos yung way ng pamumuhay nyo, maayos kung paano yung direksyon ng buhay nyo. And ito yung gustong iparating sa atin ng verse po na to, na we have to love, lalo na kapag ang lalaki, mahalin mo yung asawa mo, kagaya na kung paano mo minamahal yung sarili mo. So, may mga tao na sinasaktan or asawa na sinasaktan physically yung wife nila kasi hindi rin nila mahal yung sarili nila. So, kung paano mo inaalagaan at mamahalin yung sarili mo, dapat ganun din yung pagmamahal mo sa wife mo na hindi mo sasaktan. Same din sa babae na dapat nire-respeto mo yung husband mo. Kung paano nirespeto ng church si Kristo, dapat ganun ka sa husband mo because that is the head of the family. Siya yung nasa kanya yung decision making, nasa kanya yung sense of feeling, nasa kanya yung sense of touch, nasa kanya yung responsibility to protect and take care of the family. Nasa kanya yung productivity. Ang rules as a wife, follow your husband. Respect your husband,